Hi everyone. Some people, when they look at this math problem, 3 divided by 3 divided by 3 divided by 3, they'll start solving it like this. 3 divided by 3 equals 1, and then they'll bring down the division symbol down, and then they'll solve 3 divided by 3, giving us 1, and then 1 divided by 1 equals 1. And to them, that is the answer, and that is incorrect. Let me show you how to solve this math problem correctly. And by the way, Happy New Year's, and please subscribe if you have not subscribed to the channel. All right, so the first thing I will look at is 3 divided by 3. They're all division, and according to PEMDAS, you are solving the math problem from left to right according to the levels in PEMDAS, and they're all division, so all we have to do is just work from left to right. So first things first, let's turn all these 3's into fractions. So 3 over 1, 3 over 1, 3 over 1, and lastly 3 over 1. And we all know that 3 over 1 equals 3 does not change the 3. So it will not change the 3's in our problem. Next, we need to know the keep, change, flip method. So we're going to keep the first part, then change the division to multiplication. And lastly, we're going to flip this 3 over 1, or the last part, or the third part in the keep, change, flip method. So let me go ahead and write that down for you. So 3 over 1 times, because I changed the division to multiplication, and then 1 over 3, because we flipped it. The 1 goes on top of the fraction, and the 3 goes down or below the fraction, or goes down the fraction. All right, so 3 times 1 is what? Because we're multiplying across. 3 times 1 is 3, and 1 times 3 is 3. Then you keep this 3 over 3, and I'll write it here. And then bring this division symbol down, and then bring the 3 over 1 down. 3 over 1 equals. Now, again, same method, keep, change, flip. We'll keep the 3 over 3. We'll change the division to multiplication. And then lastly, we're going to flip 3 over 1, becoming 1 over 3. So I'll write it here. So 3 over 3 times 1 over 3 equals. So we multiply across. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9, right? And now we have 3 over 9. Let's write it up here for space. So 3 over 9. And then we bring down this division symbol down, and then write 3 over 1. That is the last fraction in our problem. And again, you use the keep, change, flip method. So we keep the 3 over 9, then change division to multiplication, and then lastly we flip the 3 over 1, becoming 1 over 3. And then we multiply across. So 3 times 1 is what? 3. And then 9 times 3 is what? 27, right? Because 9 plus 9 equals 18 plus 9, 27. 3 times. All right, so we have an answer of 3 over 27, but we need to break this down to its simplest form. So let's divide 3 over 3. 27 divided by 3, and I am running out of space, so I'll write it over here. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 27 divided by 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. So your answer is 1 over 9. And there you go. Again, Happy New Year's. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed. And thank you for watching. And I'll see you in the next video.